Hello Agent, this module covers the Inclusive Assistance Protocol for clients with hearing or phonetic disabilities. Follow these steps to initiate and manage the interaction. When a client selects Chat Assistance, touch here on the VideFace screen. They will initiate communication by scanning the displayed QR code or selecting the direct WhatsApp access on their device. The moment the client establishes contact, you will receive an immediate notification on your screen. The alert will clearly state, "Hearing impaired." This indicates that the client requires a chat-based interaction. The interaction will be via chat, a comfortable channel for the client. But there is a vital component. The client will always be able to see you in the video call. This humanizes the service even without spoken dialogue. As a backup and for traceability, you can take screenshots of the chat with the client at any time. This digital evidence will be automatically saved in the file. It is your guarantee and our quality record. Once communication is established, all operational functions remain standard. This includes document signing, service rating, and product viewing. The Inclusive Assistance System maintains a universal process for all core transactions.